Volvo's latest innovation, the M90, promises to revolutionize the concept of a car by providing a space for living in the fast-paced world we inhabit. In this article, we'll delve into the key features of the fully electric Volvo M90, designed to offer a premium living experience on wheels. The M90 is not just a vehicle, it's a sanctuary on the move, designed to be a space where you can connect, think, and relax. Jim Rowan, the CEO of Volvo Cars, emphasizes the inspiration behind the M90, stating that it's about creating a feeling of home within the car. The exterior of the M90 boasts a confident design with iconic Thor's hammer headlights and an illuminating front grille. The headlights greet you with an illuminated logo, inspired by skyscrapers and immersive art, exuding high-tech precision. The rear features a lit-up wordmark and a stylish light design, standing out in the premium design landscape. Inside, the M90 transforms into a living room on wheels, providing ultimate comfort with Scandinavian design details. It's available in 4 exterior colors, inspired by the interplay between nature and light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. One of the standout features of the M90 is its impressive range of up to 738 kilometers under the Kelce testing cycle. Equipped with a 116 kWh battery and a 200 kilowatts e-motor, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 8.3 seconds. The bi-directional charging capability allows the M90 to function as a power bank, charging other electric cars and appliances. Safety is a top priority, with the M90 incorporating Volvo's 96 years of safety DNA. Advanced driver assistance systems, including high-definition cameras, surround-view cameras, radar, and ultrasonic radars, contribute to safe space technology designed to protect everyone in and around the car. The driving experience is enhanced with top-notch sound isolation, road noise cancellation technology, dual-chamber air suspension, and silent tires. The M90 becomes your private concert hall on the move, featuring 21 Bowers and Wilkins speakers. The multifunctional set of screens and smart surfaces within the M90 allows for a variety of in-cabin scenarios. With a simple command, you can transform the interior into a theater, a meeting room, or a bedroom for the rear seats, adjusting screens, seats, windows, air conditioners, and lighting accordingly. In conclusion, the Volvo M90 is not just a car, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, safety features, and luxurious design, it creates a space for connection, creation, and relaxation, embodying Volvo's commitment to providing a premium living experience on the road.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.